Guys, ang requirements mag-drive ng truck dito sa Amerika, kailangan mayroon kang CDL, Commercial Driver License. Marami kasi sa comments na gusto silang mag-apply dito. So kailangan ka munang kumuha ng CDL bago ka mag-apply dito. Ito sa Google. What is a CDL license in USA? A commercial driver license CDL is a driver license required in the United States to operate large and heavy vehicles. How much does it cost to get a CDL? Total yan between $4,000 and $12,000. CDL requirements: passing score on the required knowledge exam, passing score on the vision test, proof of identity,